If you're a medical physician,
You can make receiving images from your patients super simple by adding a My Medical Images uploader button to your website. Just direct patients to the web page with the uploader button, and when they click on the uploader button, they can then fill out their information, and hit upload, which sends them to the My Medical Images uploader page. Without having to pay for an account, the patient can upload images via CD or zip file, and you'll be notified that the images are in your account. To see all of the images you've received from your website, click on the menu, select Share History, and click the From Website tab. You can also locate images by using the search bar on your dashboard.